Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have access and are ready. Start by opening the incident table and applying the first filters for the time range and assignment group you need. Once done, refine the visible columns so the export contains only useful fields like number, caller, state, opened, and short description. Make sure to save this view as a personal or shared filter to avoid repeating steps. By starting with precise filters and columns, you reduce noise and speed up the actual report generation. Next, create a new report using the incident table and choose a list or table visualization for direct export. Then configure grouping and sorting, group by state or assignment group, and add counts or SLA fields to aggregate critical metrics. Adjust the time range and any performance conditions, and run the query to preview results. If the preview looks correct, tweak column order and labels so stakeholders read the export easily. This step ensures the exported file is immediately actionable. Finally, choose an export format such as Excel or CSV and download the report, or schedule it for recurring delivery to recipients. Make sure to name and describe the scheduled job so others understand its purpose. If the file is incomplete or empty, check access controls, confirm your saved filter logic, and verify that date and group filters aren't excluding data. For persistent permission problems, request a roles review from your service, now admin, and rerun the export after adjustments.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.